Hey, Jeremy's Gassel's Garage, and
I'm Pat. Welcome back.
so yeah, the last one you saw, Pat surprised me by doing some work on my car by himself, which I appreciate. I'll let you tell you. Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome.
So tell him what you did, where we're going.
I finished the motor mount on that side, the half of the cradle, and I got this side tacked together. Doesn't look like that side quite yet, but it's enough to hold the motor up at this point. So what we want to do today is finish this side and build the cross braces that tie the cradle together. And yeah, that's what we got going today.
So, as always, definitely, get a friend to work on your car for you. It's much easier. It's how I like to do things.
Or just buy the car already done. It's easier.
It is easier, but you don't get quite the satisfaction as knowing that your friend built your car for you.
Yeah.
Let's go. So what are we doing here, Pat?
We are making a template for this side. It's not exactly the same as the other side, so I can't use those templates over again. But it's fairly close.
So this was just that cardboard stuff you had me get from Home Depot.
Yeah, the ram board.
So pretty cheap way just to, have some cardboard before you're making your templates.
Yeah, this stuff is awesome for templates. It does the trick.
Now, if Pat can only cut a straight line, we'll be in business.
Yeah, that's the hard part.
So here's what we're going off of, what his original idea was for the other side. Turns out pretty freaking awesome as far as I'm concerned. Hopefully nothing's in the way when we get stuff back together. Think everything should be fine though?
Yeah.
All right, so now we just transfer his template out of metal, cut it out.
Give it some speed holes for decoration and we're good to go.
Make it a little more solid with the sinkholes too. There's speed holes, sinkholes. Yeah, speed holes. Little different thing.
Slightly.
Look at Pat go. He must have did great in kindergarten. He can trace.
Not exactly.
Too dirty for you?
Yep.
There we go. So now it's just time to clean up the edges with the flapper wheel. Get ready for welding. You can't explain?
Marking it out for the dimple dies to get them nice and even. Just making a line in 1 3/4 inches from the edge. Then I'm going to connect the dots and space them out.
Nice. How pretty it gonna be?
We'll see. We shall see.
So Pat is cutting the holes to start the speed holes. Much easier through a drill press than by hand. He has both plates sandwiched together so that you can do them both at once. Is that about right?
In theory.
In theory?
Yeah.
Save some time even though you're... Who knows if it's working?
It's working, but I have to clear out the cuttings, whatever you want to call it.
Get stuck on each one. Well, even if you did it single, it would still happen that way, so...
Yep.
That doesn't matter.
All right, so what are you doing there, Jeremy?
I am getting an arm workout right now. This is all I'm doing is up and down. Well, basically, just putting the speed holes in it with a dimple die. Pat was kind enough to already cut the holes, so basically I am just...
Getting an arm workout?
Oh, yeah.
Pumping like you've never pumped before?
So, as you can see, this is all pressed in now. Makes the metal actually stronger. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Just Making it all pretty.
And when you do that, rotate the dial like 90 degrees after you press it the first time, and do it again.
Fun stuff.
Make it a better dimple die. All right.
Yep. Over and over again, that's what I'm doing.
Bet you're wishing I got that air jack now, huh?
Well, at least I don't have that much to do, so it's not that big a deal.
All right, we'll be back. We are ready to put this back in the car and make the crossbars and then take it all out again.
In and out, in and out. Seem like that all we do sometimes?
Yeah, that and it kind of sucks today. It's about 102 degrees and very humid.
Yeah, it's quite the scorcher today, and exactly the day you want to be welding on, huh?
Yeah.
Working with hot metal. Unfortunately, you know, Pat didn't turn the AC on in time this morning. So, a little warm in here.
AC? You ain't got no AC?
No AC. See, you just should have brought your truck in here and had the AC blowing on the truck all night.
Yeah, we could take a nice little nap.
All right, so I'm up high, Pat's down low. Say hi, Pat. He's down there. He's down there somewhere.
Hi, Pat.
So, when you weld stuff up, sometimes heat makes things move. And we're having a little bit issues getting the engine mount bolt where it belongs. Right here, it's having an issue. Doesn't want to line up quite the way it used to, right, Pat?
Yeah.
So, what are we trying now?
What I did was I put a point on the head of the bolt with a grinder, and I'll put a nut on there, round off the head, make a little arrowhead out of it, and now I'm going to try to run it in after I took the bolt off to make sure the threads are decent.
I don't know. All right, so our little trick worked, a little pulling up. Now we still have to get the other bolts in, so wish us luck on that. Well, Pat seems to think it's a piece of cakewalk. We'll see. Look at his beautiful dome head here. As you can see, bolt is through now, no problem. But this end is now unbolted. So now it's not even close to its spots. So now we have to get that where it needs to go. So there we go, that looks like it got it. You're right, must be a piece of cake. Pat got it. You know, Pat, I think you might be sweating a little bit.
Just a little. It is warm.
Front line's up, no problem. Bottom one wants to give us trouble.
I think
Don't be thinking that's not our way.
while you're up there, I'm gonna put the other bolts in back here with washers on them. And then we can let it down, weld those up after we make the bars, boom, boom. You know what, no, I'm gonna do that last. All right, you can go ahead and get down.
All right, Sancho, where are we at in our little adventure here?
We are trying to use up some tubing that we had laying around and make a brace.
Nice little crossbar,
Yeah.
not too shabby.
So, I need you to mark this.
I gotta do everything, people. All right, so We used 2 old pieces of scrap we had lying around. Cut them down the middle. Now he's gonna make 1 piece out of both of them.
Try to.
If he can get in there. Little tack weld. Come on, you got this. Not so easy?
No, a bit.
Hmm? The hell is that?
Clamp.
A clamp made for clamping pipes together?
Something like that. See how good it works.
I guess we're about to find out, right?
Yep.
I wonder how many times today Pat's gonna hit his head.
All of them?
All the times you can?
Yep.
I guess it depends what the record is, right? Go big or go home.
Huh?
Depends what the record is. Go big or go home. That thing doesn't look very easy to play with.
It's not.
Can't you just tack it off of it?
Well, that's what I want to do, but I want to get it as straight as I can and pull it out and do it on the bench and make it even straighter. Because I don't have any tube that I can sleeve this with, so. That's not working so well.
How about just have 1 magnet on this side, 1 magnet on this side, and I hold the rest?
Hold that.
Go up. The top's cinched together where the bottom isn't. So I'll probably just have to hold it while you tag it.
That's pretty good right there, except it's going this way. I have to do like that.
Oops. Pat, you're trying to trip me. What the hell, dude?
Oh, you were tripping when you got here.
Oh, I was tripping when I bought the car.
That too.
Oh, that's a great shot right there.
Oh.
Oh, just the way that looked. I liked it a lot. Alright. Alright, so now it's off the car. You know, it's got a tack weld on it. Weld the rest of it up, make it bend it a little bit straighter. So it's not cinched at one side and open on the other side. And it should be good to go at that point. Two old pieces, made 1. Since he doesn't have anything to sleeve it with, gosh, you had 1 job. Oh, there's another time he hit his head. I think he's going for a record today, people. Let's see, any permanent dents up there? Any damage?
Damage was done a long time ago.
Damage was done a long time ago? What do you mean?
What do you mean? We work at the same place.
Cinching the two sides down should help keep it straight. And away we go. Ooh, that hot.
A little bit.
All right. So crossbar is all put together now. Now we just gotta tack it in place. I mean Pat. We will have one righteous engine cradle. That is how it's done, boys and girls. 1K24 914 crossbar built. Well, so somehow we messed up and didn't do a closer for this video. So as always, please hit that subscribe button, give money to St. Jude. For me and Pat, we thank you for watching.